Welcome to my 3 minutes of grammar. Today's video will be covering about the personal and the demonstrative pronouns, starting with what is a personal pronoun. Okay, they are words used when you are talking with someone. They are divided under 3 lists, which are ضمائر المخاطب, ضمائر المتكلم, and ضمائر الغائب. Starting with what is ضمائر المتكلم. ضمائر المتكلم, they are used when you are talking about yourself, which are أنا, I, نحن, we. أنا هنا, I'm here. So it's simply when you ever see the word أنا or نحن in a sentence, then this is a ضمائر المتكلم. Moving to ضمائر المخاطب. ضمائر المخاطب used when you are talking with someone, which are أنت, أنت, أنتما, أنتم, أنتن. For instance, أنت هنا. I'm talking with you are here to a masculine singular person. Now thirdly, ضمائر الغائب. ضمائر الغائب are used when you are talking about a living thing but not here, in their absence. They are هو, هي, هما, هم, هن. هو كان هنا. He was here. The demonstrative pronouns can be used for both living and non-living things, used when we are pointing at someone or something, same as the usage of this, that, those in English. Known to be أسماء الإشارة. We wouldn't go through them all to not complicate you. I simply think it's not your level. But what you must know, هذا, هذه, هذان, هاتان, هؤلاء. And for far, there are few more, but I wouldn't include them. What you must know for now is ذلك, تلك, أولئك. Just stick to those forms for now. Let's start and build some sentences. How to say this is a pen. Pen is قلم. This is هذا قلم. This is a pen. Now how to say this is a book. Book is كتاب. هذا كتاب. How to say this is a table. Table is طاولة. هذه طاولة. I already taught you how to identify any noun, its gender. If you don't know yet, then go watch this video. And that's how Arabic goes. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends if you did find it helpful. This is not everything about pronouns. We still have more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. مع السلامة.